In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone from Slack. Delete someone from Slack Workspace. Easy. If you need to remove a person's access to your Slack workspace, whether they're leaving the team or no longer require access, the action you're looking for is to deactivate their account. Deactivation immediately signs them out and prevents future logins, while preserving their messages and files for record keeping. I'll guide you through the exact clicks, along with helpful context so you know what to expect at each step. First, go to your Slack home view. You can do this from the Slack desktop app or in a web browser by opening your workspace and landing on the main interface where you see channels, direct messages, and the sidebar. Make sure you're signed in to the correct workspace before you proceed. Next, click on Admin. You'll find this in the left sidebar. Depending on your workspace layout, it may appear under your workspace name or within a section labeled for administrative tools. If you don't see Admin, it likely means you don't have the necessary permissions. Only workspace owners or admins can manage members, so you may need to ask someone with the right role to perform these steps. From the Admin area, click on Manage Members. This opens the Member Management panel, where you'll see a list of everyone in your workspace. Use the search bar to quickly find the person you're looking for, especially if your organization has a lot of users. Take a moment to ensure you've selected the correct person by checking their display name and any visible profile details. When you've found the right member, click the three dots next to their name. This opens an action menu with options specific to that user's account. Think of this as the Quick Actions hub for that individual. Reviewing this menu helps confirm you're acting on the intended account before making a significant change. From that menu, click Deactivate Account. Deactivation immediately revokes access to your workspace, ends active sessions, and prevents future sign-ins. It does not erase their message history or files. Those remain in channels and DMs so your team's conversations and records stay intact. If your plan is paid, this will typically free up a seat for another user. If circumstances change later, an owner or admin can reactivate the account to restore access without recreating the user from scratch. And that's it. You've navigated to your Slack home view, opened Admin, selected Manage Members, used the three-dot menu on the correct person, and chosen Deactivate Account to remove access cleanly and securely. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you manage your Slack workspace with confidence.